Hey family, you've almost died from these daily habits. You just didn't know. Number one, chewing ice cubes. You're just sitting there, crunch. Like ice is a snack. Your enamel does not grow back. Every bite creates microscopic cracks in your teeth. One day you bite into something completely normal and your tooth just splits because you spent months training it to break. Number two, rubbing your eyes hard when they itch. You wake up, your eyes are itchy, and you ball up your fist and grind them like you're trying to start a fire. Every time you do that, you're scratching the surface of your cornea. Do it long enough, and your cornea starts to cone outward, a condition called keratoconus. Now you need surgery just to see straight, all because your eye felt itchy. Number three, holding in a sneeze. You're in class, it's quiet, you clamp your nose and seal your mouth, and you think you've won. That pressure shoots backward into your sinuses, your inner ear, and your blood vessels. People have ruptured their esophagus doing this. Others have blown out blood vessels in their eyes. Just let it out. Nobody is going to remember in 5 seconds. Number four, holding your pee for too long. You've been holding it since second period because the bathroom felt too far. Your bladder has been stretched for hours. Do this regularly and your bladder muscles weaken. They stretch out and stop working properly. You either can't hold it anymore or your body can't release it fully. A completely broken system. Because the bathroom felt inconvenient. Number five, squeezing pimples in the danger triangle. You have a pimple on your nose or upper lip and your fingers are already moving toward it. Stop. That area between your eyebrows and upper lip has a direct vein connection to your brain. When you pop a pimple there, you send bacteria straight down a highway to your skull. It can cause a blood clot at the base of your brain. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.